Hello, my dear listener. My name is John. I am a student. Today, I want to tell you about my hobby and how it helps me learn English. I think everyone should have a hobby. A hobby makes us happy. A hobby makes us fresh and strong. My hobby is gardening. I love my garden very much. I spend time there every day. In front of my house, I have a small garden. There are many plants and flowers. I water them every morning. I grow roses, sunflowers, and marigold flowers. They look so beautiful. They make my home look nice. I also grow some vegetables. I have tomatoes, green chili, and spinach in my garden. Sometimes my mother cooks fresh vegetables from my garden. When I work in my garden, I feel happy. I forget all my stress. My mind feels cool and fresh. My father helps me with my garden. He teaches me how to plant seeds. He teaches me how to take care of plants. My mother also helps me. She gives me a bucket of water every morning. She smiles and says, "John, your garden looks so nice." Sometimes my friends come to see my garden. They say, "Wow, John, your flowers are so beautiful." I feel proud. Now, I want to tell you how gardening helps me learn English. You may think, how can gardening help you learn English? Let me tell you. When I work in my garden, I talk to myself in English. I say, I am planting seeds. I am watering plants. The flowers are red. The leaves are green. This helps me use English in real life. I learn new words like soil, water, seeds, roots, leaves, and flowers. Sometimes I write about my garden in my notebook. I write simple sentences. For example, my garden is small. There are many flowers. I water my garden every day. My garden makes me happy. This writing helps my English get better. I also watch English videos about gardening. I learn new words and ideas from these videos. When I read books about plants, I choose English books. I read slowly. I find new words. I write them in my notebook. I also teach my friends some words in English. I show them my flowers. I say, "This is a rose. This is a sunflower. These are leaves." We laugh and learn together. My teacher says, "Good job, John. You're using your hobby to learn English. This is very smart." Sometimes I dream about visiting big gardens in other countries. I want to see beautiful gardens in London, Japan, and America. When I go there, I want to talk to people in English. I want to ask them, "How do you grow your plants? What flowers do you have?" So my hobby helps me dream big. It helps me to practice new words. It helps me to speak small sentences daily. I believe every student should have a hobby. Maybe your hobby is singing. Maybe your hobby is drawing. Maybe your hobby is playing football. You can use your hobby to learn English too. When you play football, you can say, "I kick the ball. I run fast. I pass the ball." When you sing, you can sing English songs. You can learn new words from songs. When you draw, you can say, "I draw a tree. I draw a house. I draw a cat." Small sentences help you speak English daily. Speaking daily helps you to speak better and better. My teacher always says, "John, English is not only in the classroom. English is around you. Use it every day." I follow this advice. I also read easy English stories about gardening. I watch English gardening shows on YouTube. I repeat new words many times. Sometimes I tell my parents what I learn. I say, "Look, this flower needs more water. This plant needs sunlight." My parents feel happy to hear me speak English. I feel proud too. I feel strong. I know my hobby and English are my friends. They make me happy and smart. One day, I want to make a big garden. I want to teach other children how to grow flowers and vegetables. I want to tell them in English. Gardening is fun. Plants are our friends. I also want to make videos about my garden. I want to speak in English in my videos. I want to show my flowers to people in other countries. I know my dream will come true one day. I just need to practice every day. I need to take care of my plants and my English too. Dear friends, please remember, a hobby is not just for fun. It is also a good teacher. Use your hobby to speak English. Speak small words. Make small sentences. Repeat them every day. You will see the magic. You will speak English better and better. You will feel happy and proud. Thank you for listening to my story about my hobby and my English. I hope you liked it. I hope you feel happy too. Please share this story with your friends. Tell them we can use our hobbies to learn English. See you in my next story. Take care. Keep practicing. Keep smiling. Keep growing flowers and keep growing your English too. Bye-bye, my dear friends.